Hey guys, hey V Squad, it's me, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So today, I'm eating a freaking corn dog.
Only Frigidaire's range lets you air fry right in your oven. It's all the flavor, none of the guilt. So good. That's using your Frigidaire.
I had some noodles. I wanted to do a video on it, but I wanted to watch someone that I love a lot.
Hey, what you doing?
So, Tara wanted me to make a video today. So guys, so I didn't make a video for a long time because I've been doing stuff. I've been busy and
on
stuff.
16th Street. Yeah, wait just a minute. Hello? Hello? Hey, what street Miss Gertrude stay on?
Damn.
Well, you know somebody got shot out there just now. West 16th Street, they say a girl though. Yeah, I don't know, somebody shooting at somebody else and shot her up.
It's dark.
That's what Drika had just told me.
And guys, I don't know what time it is, but I know it's time for me to take a bath and go to bed because
I said I'll look at
I'm at school tomorrow.
Yeah, what y'all doing?
Ugh, that nasty down. What the freak?
Who that? Middle Tennessee. I ain't never heard of that one.
I want some of the hot dogs.
Well, he don't never know what he want to do. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, that. What the Uber?
Never mind. So guys.
The Uber must be paying up 95. Okay.
So guys, today was a open house for my school, Northmont Elementary School. If you go to it, shout out to you.
Hello?
And yeah.
Hello? Oh, you didn't see nothing?
Yes. Oh.
Yeah. I know
Yeah,
you said
keep
like,
it coming,
I don't
honey.
know who had it. Tell them 12, I think they said it. I didn't hear none of it. I don't know. I said I believe that's what happened.
The hot dog don't taste right. But the corn is good. The outside are good, but the inside is nasty. By itself. I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
And this is my friend Louise.
Oh, yeah. You ain't hear nothing from our girl?
Okay, guys. So I'm going to end this video, right? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, God is so good.
So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what.
Yeah, honey, she would call next
what,
you remember I told you
what is your favorite food?
Call up.
My favorite food for
let her know.
my favorite food.
She would call her
Grandma.
on the phone with her. What?
That was 30 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, my grandma right here. Hold on, I'll tell y'all.
But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call her to see if she called her.
Grandma,
Yeah.
say hi. Say freaking hi. Hi.
The girl was calling Erica.
Y'all don't know who she.
I was
talking about because y'all don't know her. I know
what
her.
we had found out.
She know
I
her.
said before I could
But-
talk to her and all. I said
Comment below y'all
Erica.
favorite food. Excuse me. Oh God. Like for example, my favorite food is ramen
Who
noodles.
that?
You can never take ramen noodles away from me. I
Uh-uh.
swear. If you take ramen noodles and try to hide it somewhere, you know I will find them. You know I will find them.
She ain't called me back unless the girl ain't called back and tell them no
Might as
more
well
now.
just not hide ramen noodles from me because you know I will find them.
She just was saying something she was getting the keys back like we know.
I'm finna take a bath, so I'm
I'm
finna go to bed.
apartment. That's
So,
all
bye,
she
y'all.
told me.
Oh shoot, I didn't even end the
Okay.
video. Oh shoot. Bye y'all.